Hello, now I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use Google Draw. Google Draw can be set up a lot like how Google Docs is or Google Sheets is. We start on Google Drive. We can hit New and you'll see Docs, Sheets, Folders, More. We're going to go down to Google Drawings and open up our page. It'll start a new drawing for us. Always label your documents first, anything you're always using in here just to make it easier. You'll obviously have a file where you can do all of the same things as you would in Google Docs and Sheets with new, open, copies, downloading as different versions. You can email it as attachment, your different histories, your rename, your move to trash, publish to the web, your details, your page setup, your language, your print, your edit, your undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, delete, duplicate, select all, your view, which is your zoom. You can show your ruler, guides, your snap to, full screen. You can insert images, text boxes, shapes, tables, charts, diagrams, word, lines, special characters, your format. You don't have a lot of formatting here because it's just about drawing. Same thing with arrange, tools. You can do your spelling, explore. Then we go down the second column, undo, redo, print. There's nothing you really can paint format. Zoom. You can select, you can line, shape, your text box, insert an image, add a comment. So if I want to hit a line, I can just draw a box. We're going to draw a specific line. You can hit the line button. Or the arrow. Yes, let's hit. We're going to go down. We're going to hit arrow. And make sure your mouse or scroller looks like a T. And just if I pick up right here and I want to stop right here, now I have an arrow and it comes up with options as in my line color, line weight, dash, line start, line end, and what I want to do with it. So if I want to make it thicker, make it really thick, if I want to make it dash to make it a different type of symbol, you can change the different types of ends. Same thing if I want to make a curve. I can make it do whatever it needs to do. And there's my line. And the same thing, you can edit the fill, which you can make it solid. We can make the fill of this all yellow. We can make it transparent. You can change everything you want on it. And it just keeps going. So like, as you can see, and I've drawn another line. So it just keeps going and going, and you can make this if you just are bored, want to do something else and don't want to do your homework, you can do that, or you can make presentations, insert images, make text box, make different shapes to make different editing. This is a really helpful tool. You can again share this with other people, so it's great. So I hope this video was helpful.